I think communicating the food system is probably the hardest thing to do because the food system is global, it's dynamic, it's complex, it's got cultural factors, it's got regulatory factors, it's got environmental factors. So when we talk about this system, we're talking about all those interactions and how they work together. In order to really understand these systems, we need to bring together biologists, food technologists, medical practitioners, veterinary medicine, people understand environmental change, climate change, the distribution system, economists, and policy makers. And if they are not talking together, this group of experts, this sort of team of experts, we really can't solve these problems. So what we're trying to do through this Institute of Sustainable Food Systems is bring together true experts in an environment of mutual respect so we can solve these problems and really make progress. There's already been a tremendous amount of investment in the resources here, in the human capital. So I think it's a great place to build this institute. And right now we have core researchers that have been new hires under the Preeminence program. One's a plant pathologist who also looks at human dimensions. The other one's a foodborne disease specialist. I'm an economist. And then we're hopefully will be able to hire one or two more people before the year end. Then we have there are obviously a tremendous amount of expertise here at the University of Florida. So we have about a dozen very active researchers on campus. We'll be working with the public health and other health professionals and looking at that side of the system. But we'll also be looking all the way back to primary production, and that is the lands and the seas. And so we're actually embracing things like what can happen as we exploit the seas more for food, what can happen with aquaculture. And then we're really looking at all kinds of things with regard to genetics and other kinds of specialty areas that other institutions really aren't focusing on. And lastly, we're looking at global modeling as a key tool. And University of Florida has some leadership in global modeling already. It's really exciting, and I'm really happy to be part of an institution that wants to grow and wants to have impact and really wants to make a difference.